G'day cocktail lovers. I'm going to make for you today a rum old fashioned with one little tweak that might make it the best rum old fashioned you've ever had. So let's make this together and see if a little change can make a big difference. This recipe was created by Kirk Estopinal at the Canaan Table cocktail bar in New Orleans, and I almost certainly pronounced his name wrong. Sorry, Kurt. He's very specific about the rums you should use. He says you should have 1.5 ounces of a Guyanese rum and 1/2 ounce of a Jamaican rum. I'm going to go with a couple of rums I like. As much as this guy has some very specific rums in mind, I think you should go with the rums you like if you try making this as well. I don't have a Guyanese rum. I'm actually using this one from Venezuela. This is one of my favorite just sipping rums, Diplomatico Reserva. And I do actually have this Jamaican rum, the Navy Strength, Smith & Cross. So those are the two I'll be using. The different element of the recipe is just around a bar spoon or 5 mils of apricot liqueur. I have this really nice one made locally. So if that tiny amount's going to make a difference, a good quality ingredient like this is going to do it. But we're going to find out just how much difference this makes. We make this recipe like this. In our mixing glass, put 1.5 ounces of your first rum and then 1/2 ounce of a bolder, stronger rum. Then we add a bar spoon or 5 mils of a brown sugar syrup. And then our secret ingredient, 5 mils or a bar spoon of apricot liqueur. We round things out with 2 dashes of orange bitters, and then finally 1 dash of Angostura bitters. We add ice to our glass and we stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then we strain that into a rocks glass over a big chunk of ice, and for garnish we're just going to put a bit of orange peel in there. I made a second old fashioned without the mystery ingredient, and I've got a mystery taster to come in and taste the two to see if she can tell any difference between them. Then I'm going to do the same. So have a taste of the one in your right hand. How's that generally? You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Taste the one in your left hand. Does that taste different at all to you?
Yes.
Right. What do you think is the difference?
This one's sweeter.
Okay. Okay. Now my turn for a taste. I'm going to taste this one. It's pretty good quality rum old fashioned, quite honestly. Tasting this one. Was this the one that was in your left hand? The first one you gave me, was that in your left hand or right hand?
Left.
I thought so. I actually agree with you. It's sweeter. The difference is this has just like 5 mils of apricot liqueur in it. This one actually even has a little bit extra sugar syrup to compensate for no extra apricot syrup, but the apricot syrup still makes it a bit sweeter, a bit lighter. Both really good rum old fashions. Okay, I'm going to go out on a limb. Most people are going to like the one with the 5 mils of apricot liqueur in it. So yeah, if you want to lift your game, just take your rum old fashioned to the next level. Hey, don't limit yourself to apricot for that matter. If you've got some fun fruit liqueurs, put another one in there and see how that goes. But that is definitely a way to get an improved rum old fashioned. I recommend you try it. Until next time, I guess I've got these two to keep me going. Cheers.